back the whole Christmas card thing because I was thinking about that's a lot.
It is, man.
That's a lot.
It's a pain in the butt.
I don't even like receiving this card. You know what I mean? I don't. Like,
Oh.
yeah, no. It's not. It's not a thing.
Okay.
It's like, oh my god. I didn't get a Christmas card. And, you know.
It doesn't matter to me. And
Yeah. I don't.
it always comes down to like a chore that has to be done.
Hello, QB. What do you know now? Can you give me a time frame that the M bus will be leaving the hill?
Yeah, I don't need a card to tell you how much I love you. How much you love me.
Okay, get rich.
You get it every day, Tom.
Yeah.
I saw on Broadway when I
Probably about
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All we have to do is all the damn trees, Jay.
I think it's gonna be pretty dead out here today. A lot of people looking at our off.
Well, it's Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve, yeah.
Yeah, if I had to work 5 hours.
You gotta work 4 or 5 hours?
Yeah, 9:15 to 2:30.
Well, that's not too bad.
And I'm pretty sure I'm getting picked up at 3 o'clock at Panera Bread.
Right.
Yeah,
That's
which
not too
at least it takes me 5 to 10 minutes to walk from Marshall to Panera Bread.
bad. Nice.
I,
Well, somebody's having the bad Christmas Eve.
yeah, it's on that fender bender.
Oh yeah, that's a little more than a fender bender. Somebody made a bad choice.
Yeah, train. It's like the train stopping. Probably land another train to go by.
I hope he sells the token. If they're not, take some walk. It's been forever since I took some walk. That's gonna be delicious.
Please do the base.
Yeah, I can get down with that.
Yeah, I could get down with that too. I mean, get down.
The train comes to stop, and I can see the another train coming.
Yep.
Yeah, because I just saw the light in the background.
Yeah, Slim, when you get a chance, can you give scheduling a call and find out if Mr. Badura is actually going today? He went to dialysis yesterday. Want to check on that for me, please? Yeah, 10 for a window.
Yep, train stopping. Got the another train's gonna be coming.
Yeah.
Hopefully, from the
Based on that,
second.
I mean, I don't know if we get any calls on that, but I was like 20 minutes behind. I went through the hotel up here in the Soviet in the parking lot, and there was nobody came out.
Yeah.
All right, 10 for it.
I wonder how Michael's is doing. I mean, since they got under new ownership, so I wonder if they're doing any better or I haven't really been paying too much attention. We need to go for a Barrett. Cheeseburger deluxe.
It's avocado on it. Here it is.
Oh, the car's there.
Another train might have been far away. Yeah, I'm not gonna have time for another train, so.
Base the key to. Go ahead.
December 24th, 2020.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. Okay. Copy, man, simple. And so, thank you.
Yep. Train to Recon. Yep, that's the train right there. Yep, there we go. Yep. Wow. Yep, that's Southbound Autorack Train.
All right, sir. Have a